Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. Larissa is here, 61 and fabulous. Traveling in Mexico and living my best life. And so can you. I've got many questions from my subscribers about vacation rental in high season. What is the best area to stay at? How expensive would it be to rent a place? Is it safe to rent a place instead of staying at all-inclusive hotel? And what is my favorite area in PV? In today's video, friends, I will answer all of those questions and I will show you a beautiful Airbnb apartment in Nuevo Vallarta. Let's get started. I moved to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico last year in January, and since then I moved quite a few times in search for the best place to live for my lifestyle. I lived in Nuevo Vallarta for 2 months, where I rented a beautiful brand new 5,000 square feet house for $1,800 a month. I will link that video in the description below. But since then, this house went up in price a lot, and now it rents for $4,500 a month. Then I spent 2 months in Cruz, video linked below. In the summer of 2021, I lived in Bucerias, and I love that beautiful, colorful town. It's very nice, but the rent is not cheap there. And right now, it's extremely busy with construction. So I moved back to modern Nuevo Vallarta. I visit Cinco de Diciembre, Zona Romantica, Marina Vallarta, Fluvial, and other areas of PV very often. But my favorite is Nuevo Vallarta. Why? Because it's very centrally located, only 10 minutes from the airport, 20 minutes from the center, and only 30-35 minutes drive to the best beaches to surf at, such as La Lancha and Punta de Mita. And I try to go out there a few times a week. Beach in Nuevo Vallarta is the best if you like to walk or jog. It's fairly flat with fine sand and it runs for miles. Nuevo Vallarta has a great selection of the restaurants and bars for any budget. It is very safe. I go to watch sunset or ride the bike in the evening by myself and never feel uncomfortable. Nuevo Vallarta is very modern. And now we are at the question, is it expensive to rent here? I'm going to show you a beautiful 3-bedroom townhouse in a luxury gated complex. Ready? Let's go! This complex is 10 minutes drive from the airport and located on the east side of highway. So you need a car or need to use Uber, InDrive or taxi to get to restaurants and to the beach. Public beach is 15 minutes drive from the complex. This complex is big and has an amazing amenities, But we get there later. Let's start with the house tour. Beautifully decorated 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms townhouse has absolutely everything you need to enjoy a vacation or live long term. This complex is perfect for families with kids, especially kids who love to run. The playground is gated and you can peacefully enjoy yourselves while kids are playing at the gated amenities. Amenities include children's playground, large covered pool, jacuzzi, barbecue area, tennis court, basketball court, and the gym. Now let's see my favorite part, the gym. Great selection of cardio equipment and free weights. Now you are definitely wondering, how much is it? Well, it depends on how long you are staying here. If you come just for a week or two, you would pay on average $150 a night. If you sign a yearly lease, it's $1,000 a month, and water, electricity, Wi-Fi is not included, and it's about $100 more a month. And now, what do you think, friends? Would you stay in a complex like this? Please leave me your comments below, and thank you for watching, everyone. Ciao, ciao, until the next time.